Good morning, everybody. It's another day, another grapevine, and I'm off to finish basically what I started yesterday, which was the 5 rows of grapevines. So today I'm going to be finishing off the grapevines. Got my willow. Here we go. So the sun has decided to come out and join us, and I just cold. I don't know why I'm cold today. I mean, I know it is still winter and stuff, but I actually put on extra layers. See this lovely scarf? So as you can see, guys, that we've done about 5 rows of these, and I'm just gonna finish tying the rest of them. It's not difficult. It just takes time, like most things. And I'm just so looking forward to sweet organic grapes again. All these ones have not been done yet, so I'll start here. Anywho. I guess people might say, well, Stefania, do you actually want to do that? Do you actually like doing the grapevines and all this gardening stuff? Yada yada. And I'd probably say, yeah, in a way, but in a way, no, because sometimes we don't always get to do what we want. Or, I mean, sometimes we don't want to do something, but it's actually, in a way, beneficial for us. For example, I'm doing the grapevines. It takes hours. It takes so much time to do. And what's the benefit for me? Well, I get time to think, kind of out here in nature. I get the benefits of the fresh air and just being outside, which is really good for us. I get to think, which I do a lot, but it sometimes seems to clear itself being outside in nature. And then massive benefit is delicious organic food, which these days is not that easy to come by, of good quality. So I'm pretty happy to know how to do this and to learn how to do this. It's kind of something that we should all learn, which I think, it's not that we have to all learn it, but I just think it's a good skill to have, growing your own food and stuff. So when you say to me, do I like doing this kind of stuff? I do, and I don't. And I think that's a bit how life is. Sometimes you like to do stuff, sometimes you don't. But sometimes the stuff that you don't like to do, for example, working out, eating right, yada yada, is actually good for you. And that's the funny thing. So, in a way, what it's all about is discipline. It's all about discipline. It's all about, I'm disciplining myself to go out and do the grapevines for 5 hours because I know the reward I'm going to get for the same thing that I wake up every day, 5 in the morning, do my workout, do my yoga, do my dance, everything. And I do that with one goal in mind, that is to make myself feel better. So, yeah. How did we get onto this topic again? I don't know. Just came up in my head. Right, I need to continue this job, otherwise I'll never get anything done. I'm just going to talk to you all day. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Just gonna show you what I've been doing, guys. I've literally been just tying. See these vines? See, they are old, very characteristic barks. Tying them up with the willow. Here. Any part that's, obviously I can't tie that bit up, it's a bit hard. But any part that's basically, because once these get heavy, they're literally gonna the weight of the grapes is just going to really pull them down. So I try to just tie each section to the support system, which is a crappy wire at the moment, and some stakes, some trees. And that's it. Bob's your uncle. That's how you do the grapevine thing. It's not even that complicated. As I said, it just takes time, as most things do. I like listening to the sound of the birds. It's just so nice. And I was thinking like about how just like the actual miracle of grapes. I was thinking like this is just craziness that these like, you know, really ancient, not very beautiful looking vines then become this like majestic plant that produces these little balls of sweet, juicy goodness. And I'm like, where, who, how did this even happen, this grape thing? But then when you think about everything is like that. You think, oh, you know, it's just God. So it's pretty cool when you think about it. And probably most people don't think about it. They probably just, you know, go to the supermarket and pick up a bunch of grapes and do not give a second thought about how it was produced and about all the actual work that goes into the grape process. Now I sound like an obsessed woman, but I just want like to, I guess, like get the message out about importing grapes. That doesn't sound right at all. I want to just like, I guess I want to like educate. No, not educate. Just tell you about how like the grape process is. But this sounds like total bullshit now. What I'm saying. Okay, start again. I'm just pretty passionate like about the whole start to finish of things, and especially like when it comes to plants, yada yada. And you know, like when I get myself involved in this kind of thing and I see it from the start, the very start to finish, it's just so, I don't know, there's just so much more appreciation for that product. And maybe a lot of people are just not like immersed at all in that way in anything. It's all about just like, okay, I go get it and I go buy it and that's it. It's like, that's the start and that's the finish. Whereas, you know, if you're actually involved in like the whole growing process and, you know, you look after the plants, you trim them, you water them, and you watch them grow from leaves to flowers to buds to fruits, and then again to bare wood. Pretty freaking cool, actually. I think it's a nice thing, and I think it'd be really cool if even like 90% of the world could enjoy that experience. And I must say, like, I'm lucky because I didn't grow up with this at all. I grew up in Glasgow in like a high-rise flat, and we didn't have a garden. It was pretty crappy. But like my mum tried to make the most of it. She had houseplants, which was nice. And you know, when I took the idea to like come back to Italy and stuff, it was quite a crazy idea at the time, and it still is a bit crazy because it is a crazy country at the same time. So, anywho. If you can, get involved, no guys, like get involved in growing something, even on your balcony, even in your house, even house plants. It's just, it's so nice to see that process from start to finish. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Gotta finish my grapevines now. Alright, love. Gotta finish my grapevines. Right, see you later, chop.